Hi, sir. Good morning. Sir, the United Kingdom has issued a travel warning advisory against the Philippines following the incident in Sulu. May we have your reaction about this, sir?
Well, palagi namang ano yan eh. That's a natural reaction from all governments. Pag merong mga panganib, tayo ganun din eh. But it doesn't mean na hindi nila pinapapunta. They're just cautioning them.
Pero sir, given yung laki ng insidente sa Hulu, how do you think this may affect yung image ng country, particularly yung industry ng tourism, economy, or the image per se?
Hindi naman laki. Laki doon sa lugar na yon. But in relation to the Philippines, maliit yun. So kung ang mga tourist mo gusto pumunta sa Maynila, sa Cebu, sa Davao, malayo naman doon sa Hulo, pupunta pa rin yung mga yan. You must remember na yung tourism percentage natin lumaki.
Given na, although isolated nga siya sa Sulu, still referred siya as part of the country.
It's always a concern when there is a deterioration of peace and order in a particular place. But it will not stop us from doing our usual chores as a government, responding to the needs, securing the safety, etc.